everyone, nice to have everyone here. So let's unbox this together. I bought this from TikTok shop. It's actually a glass that comes with Bluetooth. So I want to give it a try. Let's do it together. Yes. Yay. So this is the package. It comes like this. The glass was inside of this. It has these little wipes. And then it has a description. I'm going to go through this later. And then this is the name. You can see. Wireless smart audio song glass. Built in speaker and mic, open ear audio, lock UVA/UVB range with rechargeable batteries. So it means you can charge it. See? So audio control, recording function, balance audio, lights, weight. That means the sound is a bit very okay for us. It won't burst your eardrum. You can see this is it. So this is the casing as well. So this is the glasses. Oh my god. This is the glasses. It has the charging spots. This is Type-C charger like this here. And you plug this to your charger. It came with this cable. And there's a Nest sign here to take it back, to take the music back, to take it forward, and there's a pause and play sign here, as you can see. So this is how the glass is. It's very nice. It's very suitable. So let's give it a try and see. As you can see, it's very comfortable and it can go for any outfit. Just do like this and you're listening to your music. So this is it. This is all about this video. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to share. Thank you. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.